Easy at it tough representing for Platinum Vibes.
Here I go on now. Me no know where the boy them a stir up in a man. Some of them too corrupt, you know. And me I tell them straight up in a man. Now one me have to go bounce in a head them yes jump.
Represent for the term. Peace attack. Yeah. Aye. Aye. One go tell them. Say what they wanna call we play. We wanna and we bless marijuana. Peace. Body sting boy. Aye. Me no business. Tell chatty mouth, mind them business. From your switch, that a no gangster business. Them inform fi visa. Follow back a man a try rap, but that a flap business. Alliance a bounty killer business. The amount of artists in busting at the business. Down to DJ Khaled, a killer give my start pan the ghetto dictionary business. Global general, cross West Indies. Some boy a cartoon, them link with business. How long killer arena? Still relevant right now from we was little picnics. A business, tough president business. You can't this no general in the business. Hey, respect you general in the business. Warlord, straight general business. If a man have a disagreement, settle that, cause it not fi reach no payment. Man a hype, get bright with them little trees and think them up at up, no, not even recent. Hip-hop groupie, that is them achievement. Non-smart, that's why them act indecent. In a me cut off put pants down and me kneeling. Man I go hard, black steel, gravels and cement. Never you ever try this a general. Dunkirk, man a raw band general. Hey Papino, straight up general. Augusto.